I've been cutting my family's hair for quite a few years now, and I was using the big box store brand, and it went kaput on me not that long ago. So I decided to branch out, and boy, am I glad that I did, because the difference in quality from the box store brand I was using to this one there's like a chasm between the two. Okay, this set is amazing. I have 6 people in my family, that's including me, and so this thing has already paid for itself in haircuts. The fact that we saved all that money. But let me talk about the quality. They feel really good in your hand. They're not too big, not too bulky, not too heavy. You got clippers and trimmers. Other set did not have trimmers, so this has been a game changer for me. So I like that they're quiet. So you've got the lower setting and then the higher setting on the clippers. They're pretty quiet, and I do have a 5-year-old son who like can't stand the sound of clippers. He's really trying to get used to me using clippers on him, so it's been kind of a rough go with him, but these actually were a lot better than my last ones. And then the trimmers are also quiet. I like that. The other really great thing about these, they are cordless. You are going to have to charge them. They do both come with cords, but it will tell you here at the bottom when you turn them on how much battery has left. So this one has 88% battery left, and this one has 90. It probably took me a good 4 to 5 hours to cut all of our hair that day, and this thing still has a ton of battery left. You've got the charging ports here on the bottom. You also have these little hooks so you can hang them up if you'd like to keep them protected, or while you're charging them to hang them up. Nice feature on both. Like I said, it does come with both the cords. The blades are super, super sharp, and like they cut like butter. There's a huge difference. I'm telling you, there was a huge difference. Okay. Comes with a whole kit. Really love this kit. Comes with these really nice clip-on guards for the clippers. So the clips on these are really, really sturdy. My last one had plastic clips. They worked, well, until they didn't. One of them actually fell off while I was cutting my husband's hair, and I didn't know it in time, and I kind of gapped him a little bit. But these are metal, and they're very sturdy, and they stay put when you clip them on there. You know when you clip these on. Love that too. The trimmer actually comes with these little clips as well, these guards. Great for cutting my husband's beard, trimming it up, sideburns, ears, back of the neck. This thing is a really great tool. I'm very happy with that. Also comes with a little brush to kind of clean it out. I probably should have done a better job because there is a lot of hair coming out of there, but okay. Also comes with a little tube of oil so you can oil your blades between cuts. Comes with a comb, good comb for lining everything up, brushing everything out. And it comes with a cape that you can just tie up. Nice and handy. I'm telling you, this kit has blown me away with the quality. So take it from somebody who tried to go with the cheaper brands, and it worked for a little while, but I'm telling you, you get what you pay for, and this is top quality. I won't be going back to those box store brands. This kit has everything that you're going to need, other than maybe like a good pair of quality scissors. Other than that, this is all you need, and you're good to go. If you're looking for a really great setup like this one, I'm going to put this one's link down in the description below.